This is a look at the genuine Gerber 98-246 spout assembly. This is the gooseneck spout for the Gerber 07-49-251, the 49-251, and 49-251-66 bar faucets. It does come in a chrome finish. Of course, you would take this off. This is just to hold this from sliding. But you would take that off. It comes with the aerator. It's got the base nut here, the O-rings there. It's about 3/4 of an inch inside diameter there, and then roughly 1.25 inches overall with the base. About 3/4 of an inch here. And then the height is right about 7.25, maybe 7.5. And once again, this is the genuine Gerber 98-246 spout assembly.